Hey, have you ever found yourself in the need of a quick healthy snack while on the move? Whether you are cruising down the highway, exploring a new city, or setting up camp in the great outdoors, I've got just the thing for you. Picture this: juicy dates stuffed with a creamy almond butter, kissed with a sprinkle of coconut. It's a flavor-packed combo that's easy to make as it's delicious. Even better, you have the flexibility to mix and match flavors based on what is in your travel bag or simply what tickles your taste buds. Trust me, I've been there. A limited time, limited space, but craving something nourishing and satisfying. So join me as I share my go-to recipe for those moments when you need a snack. Let's whip up these delightful bites, beginning by slicing open fresh dates and remove the pit. Fill each date with a generous spoonful of creamy almond butter. If the dates are very dry, you can always put them in the water to make it more juicy. Finish by sprinkling coconut flakes on the top of the almond butter, filling dates for a touch of tropical goodness. Also, what you can combine and what I like to combine, for example, sometimes I fry lychee. It's a dry lychee that helps you to give some extra flavor. Or you can use strawberry or raspberry powder to just bring a little bit of acidity. Just before you start eating your snack, just to let you know a few details about the ingredients. The dates are not just delicious, they are also incredibly versatile. These sweet, chewy fruits are nature candy packed with natural sugars for a quick energy boost. Dates boast high level of fiber and antioxidants, contributing to potential benefits for brain health and disease prevention. If you want to see more benefits of these little bombs, check the link in the description box below the video. Almond nut butter will bring you a heart-healthy monounsaturated fats as well as vitamins and minerals including vitamin E, magnesium and calcium. And finally, coconut milk contains large amount of medium-chain fatty acids, which are easier for the human body to digest than animal fats. There is so many other benefits that coconut can bring to you. Coconut contains protein and fiber as well as many essential minerals like iron, manganese, copper, magnesium. Thank you my travelers for watching. I hope you like this recipe. If you would like to see more, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you and see you next time!